Welcome to Low Orbit Flux. We've got robots, Raspberry Pis, single board computers, coding, servers, hardware, software, electronics, networking, and so much more. If that's the kind of thing you're into, you probably want to hit the subscribe button right now. If you want to see better content when you browse YouTube, and if you want more tech stuff in your YouTube feed, hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss out on this. Also, click the little bell icon because YouTube probably won't notify you when we come out with new videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.